Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're going to get this huge concrete footing hoisted out of here, and then we're going to get a few other heavy items out, and then we're going to get all these concrete blocks out of here. And then after that, if I have energy, I'll get the huge stockpile of dirt out of here, start getting it unloaded. So hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. As soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go.